Hello, guys. Good evening and good morning, good evening, good night, wherever you are. And I'm just gonna share this opportunity and just leave your face. Um, this is an opportunity for a physical therapist, and this opportunity is in the United States. And now the requirement is that you're a physical and rehabilitation medicine. You're not an orthopedic person. You should be interested in sports medicine, and these are the benefits attached to this opportunity. Cuts across pension, dental insurance, disability insurance, green card sponsorship. Moving forward to life insurance, retirement plan, travel reimbursement, tuition reimbursement, visa sponsorship, and vision insurance. So these salaries ranges from $80,000 to $8,000 annually, plus other benefits. So, if you know anybody in the US that want to benefit from this, come on, share the opportunity and let them enjoy it. Okay, service offer are outpatient physical and sports therapy, manual of function and focus therapy, hands-on, acute and chronic rehabilitation, pre and post-operative care, and so on and so forth. Guys, just check the comment section for the link to this job and apply as soon as possible, or send to somebody who you know will definitely want to do this. Then you can see that ability to relocate to the United States. You can also relocate before starting the work. That's actually required. So, guys, give it a shot and don't forget to share the opportunity. See you later. Bye.